Hi everybody, Halloween is around the corner. It is time to do something spooky again. So this time I choose to make something most common during the Halloween time, a pumpkin cake. But it's not just a pumpkin cake, it's a pumpkin man cake. So I like to do that with a little bit of twist that I hope that you will find something interesting in this tutorial, and the technique that what I would like to show you, you can also use for some other concepts also. So when I decide to make pumpkin man, of course I refer to ocean of information in internet, and I came across with hundreds of different pictures, and this one I came across to something very similar to this picture what I have in front of me. I drew that this morning, and I would like to make it a little bit more interesting. So normally when I search also pumpkin man cake in internet, I didn't really come across to anything wow me, so I like to add something a little bit more interesting. So I would like to make this cake end up just like pumpkin, hollow inside, but I will not going to use any kind of construction. So I will also place the light inside. You know that I have done that a couple of times. I placed the remote control LED lights inside the cake, so you can control from outside without reaching your hands inside the cake somewhere, or like a twisting wire behind or something. It's very, very easy. So this is the idea, emphasizing how to make a sphere type of cake, but hollow inside without the construction. That's the technique I like to really go detail to show you how to do it. So let me bring now all the tools and material, what we need to turn this idea into a cake.